Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the broil element assembly on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's not heating up, or it's not heating up properly when set in the broil position. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we need to go to the back of our oven, so we're going to turn it around. Now we have to take this cover off, so that's held on by 5 screws, these 4 black ones, and then this silver one on the bottom here. And once you've got that last screw out, you should be able to pull out on the panel and let it down and put it off to the side. And now we need to unplug all of these 4 wires right here that go to our broiler. Now we're going to open up our stove here, and now we're going to need to remove the 3 screws right here. And now the screws that are holding the broiler to the top of the oven here. And keep in mind with this last screw, you're going to want to hold that broiler up so that it doesn't fall down on the inside of your oven and become damaged. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement broiler assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And now we're going to put our broiler assembly back in place. And what we're going to do, we're gonna, as we put it up here, we're gonna get our temperature sensor, put that back in front of this cover plate here. And now we'll line up the broiler and slide it through. And what we're gonna do is screw it back to the top first. Now we're going to screw these back in, and we'll line up temperature sensor there. And that'll screw in, and it'll stay nice and straight. And now we can close up our oven door. Now I'm going to plug everything back in on the back here, starting with our light socket here. And then our broiler. And the temperature sensor. Now we're going to put the back panel back on, and we're going to line up the screw holes there and put this side underneath that tab. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.